Thanks to the AI, building an app today is easier than ever. But here's the thing, even the best app can be ignored if it doesn't look great in the App Store. There's one part that makes a massive difference, is the presentation. That's why in this video I want to show you a service that helps your app stand out by creating stunning App Store or Google Play screenshots in just minutes. When someone scrolls through the App Store or Google Play, the screenshots of your app is the first impression. And this is where people make a decision to click on the app, download it, or just to keep scrolling. That's where the service App LaunchPad comes in. It helps you create professional, eye-catching App Store screenshots without needing to open Figma or Photoshop. Whether you're a professional designer, marketing specialist, or don't have design skills at all, the App LaunchPad is definitely a game changer and a huge time saver. Hi, my name is Sergey and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date with the latest design tools and web design tutorials. And now let's check out App LaunchPad. All right, so I have the App LaunchPad open, and what I love about this app that when I open the dashboard, right away I can see the really beautiful templates of some examples of the apps that you can build with this service. All right, so let's go from the top. Basically here you can pick different sizes. For example, you need to have the mockups for your iPad app or an Android app or custom sizes, but we'll use an iPhone. And down here you will have different templates which are already looking really cool, and you can pick any of them. For example, let's pick the first one, this one, and when I click on it, it will open the project with all the mockups ready. And what I need to do, I just need to paste in my designs of the app. So I open my Figma file, and here I have 4 screens of this neobank. Basically, this one shows like a dashboard, like home screen, the card transactions, send money to, and here I can buy some Bitcoin. So basically I want to export them. So, and actually I already exported. So I'm going back to the App LaunchPad. And here what I want to do, I just want to click on the image, for example, this one, and I can like upload, open the first screen. So I'll just open it here, and it will paste it right into this iPhone. You see, I'm pressing use screenshot, and that's it, guys. So this is super cool. So let's do it with the second one. Basically, I can upload all of my images, and I can pick the one I want. Let's pick this one again, the first. This one will be the second. This one will be the third, and this one is going to be the fourth. Already it looks really good. The only thing that I need to do, I need to like change the colors and everything. And here's the second part. So basically we're currently working with the already pre-made template, but I can go to other templates and pick some other screens that I want, or I can go to elements, and for example I can change and add different device. For example, I can add this orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. Oh, here it is, and like kind of like drag. I have this one, and yeah, I can like play around with it. Now I can turn it, leave it this here, and now let's put the screen. Yeah, so this is it. So super easy, you see, like super easy. And this is for the elements, right? For the elements, this is like devices, and I can even pick the images. So I have like different sets of images. Well, for some apps you might need something like this clipart, you know, if it's for example, a nutrition app, or I don't know, some food tracker or something like that, you know, you can pick some really nice, or a cafe app or something like that. You can pick some nice looking images, and like to make it more appealing. And another thing that I like here, I have such things as badges, and for example, I can add different things, like for example Apple Pay. I can add Apple Pay, that it's going to be here, so I can put it somewhere in my image, like to make it more interesting. Or I can use other elements, such as, for example, like hands. And for example, if I want to point in something, oh, hold on, yeah, here it is. I can make a image with the hand pointing at something, like this, for example. Yeah, I can leave it like this, right? Already looking pretty cool, right? And there are like tons of different images from the elements. Like you have like icons, basic shapes. This is the arrows, for example, like this. You can, add an arrow. Yeah, right here. So here it is. And yeah, something like that. I can make it larger, and I can like turn it again. Right? Looks pretty cool. Of course, I can change text. It can be anything I want, but I'll just leave it like this for now. So for the elements, you got the idea. So there's like tons of different elements here, like people. You can add money, finance, whatever, like stacks. Lots of clipart. And as again, for the devices, you can even have hands holding devices and stuff like that. Other thing is what I want to do. I want to make it more interesting, and in terms of like my my brand style, right? So I can pick the colors. So I go back to Figma, and I want to use these colors. So I will copy the hex code of the color, and I go back to the app, and I'll pick this round thing, and I just paste my code here, and yep, this is the color. So I will change the background again here. Yep, and here as well. Yep, like this. And here I'll change it again. Yep. And now I want to go back to my actually I can even make gradients. You see, I can make a gradient here. So for that, I will need to go back to Figma, and I will need to select my another color. So I'll copy it, go back to the app, and I'll go to gradients, and I will use this another color to make a gradient shape. Yep. And for example, I can change the direction from bottom right to left. Yeah, see, looks pretty cool. And I can now change the type here. I can move it, you see, and I can change the color of the type, and I want to have it white. Yep, like this. And yeah, and that's it. So basically, I'm just showing you like different ways how you can use this, and I hope you got the idea that it looks pretty cool. Another thing is that I can, I can put like anything here. I can write, for example, Easy Banco, best Neo bank in your pocket. Yep, like this. And for example, I will delete this. Yep. Another cool feature of App LaunchPad is that I can translate this into different languages. For example, if you're launching an app particularly for your region, and it should not be in English, but it should be in another language, you can do that simply using App LaunchPad. And what I can do here, I can go to text and I can click translate. And what I need to do, I need to select the language. For example, let's choose, I don't know, let's choose Polish. And I click translate, and it will translate all the English texts that I had here into Polish. And this works super cool. This is amazing. So let's do another one. For example, I can go to Hindi and translate now to Hindi everything that I have here. Yeah, and that's it. It's ready. Next, what I'm going to do, I just want to export this. So I can duplicate it. I can add. You see, I can add images here if I want to have more of them. I can like move them around, you know. Yeah, I want to have this one over here. So it's like black, green, black. All right, and now I can download. So I just press download and I can export them as JPEGs, and I export all of them right away. So I don't need to go like and download each image separately. I just get the zip file, and here it is. Yeah, here are my images that I can go and upload to my App Store or Google Play. If you don't want to use pre-made templates, you can always create one from scratch. For that, you just go to start from scratch from your dashboard, and here you get these screens. You can delete these mockups that are here. So you select the first screen, you go to elements, and you pick the device that you want to use. For example, you want to use again iPhone 17 Pro Max, and you paste it here, and then you go to the second page and the second screen, and you find another device. For example, you want to have it with a hand, and basically this is the one, and you just you paste it here, and yeah, make it larger like this, and that's it. And then you just upload the image you want. Again, super easy. Change the text, and oops, oh, here it is. Yep. And now we just change the color, and we can pick the color palettes. For example, if you don't want to like play around with the color, you can pick another one from here. Yeah, for example, this yellow looks pretty good. And download me. And I can, change the fonts. I can change the font family to anything. Basically, all the Google fonts are here. Styles and alignment and the color, of course. All right, so everything is saved to a cloud, so you can save it. Basically, it saves right away, and for example, you can go back to your projects anytime. So you just go back to your homepage, you go to my saved designs. You see, I don't have proper names, but I can just open the project and open it again and finish it whenever I want to. So if you're launching an app right now or anytime soon, don't forget about the screenshots and how you present them in the App Store or Google Play. I'm sure App LaunchPad will make it easy and will help you create the best looking screenshots of the app and the best way possible to present them in the store. And for everyone who's watching this video, you can get 30% discount by following the link in the description below. Use code AppLaunch30 to get your special 30% discount on the subscription. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like the video if you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.